This is Roar to Success, episode number 3. For number 1, it says, which equation has the same unknown value as 4.45 minus something equals 0.78? You have to find the same one as that. So you can really do the math for this one, but there's an easier way. I'm going to make this one into a 4. 4 minus what equals, and then we'll make this one into a 1. So we know that this has to be a 3. So anytime you see a 4.45, we're going to change it into a 4. Anytime you see a little square, we'll put that as a 3. And anytime you see 0.78, we're going to just put a 1 instead. And we're going to find the one that makes sense. So let's take a look at letter A. So this is going to be 4 minus 1 equals 3. And that's going to be, actually that's correct. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we know A is correct. Let's check out B. B is going to be square. So B would be square, which is 3 minus 1 equals 4. And that's going to be incorrect, obviously. And then you can see that C also doesn't work because we know the answer must be A. But let's take a look at C. C is 4 plus square, which is 4 plus 3 equals 1. And that does not make sense. So as you can tell, as long as you round up your numbers and you just estimate, you can put this in and you'll find the one that works. D would be 1 minus square, which is 3, equals 2.65. That one doesn't make sense at all because there's no 2.65 in the beginning anyways. So A is the correct answer. Once again, just make your 4.45 into a 4, make your square into a 3, and then make your 0.78 into a 1, and then just fill it in and just find the one that makes sense. For number 2, it says, which equation shows a correct strategy and product for the expression? So this is really 4/10, because that's the way you would read it, times 7/10. So we know that A is wrong because that's 4/100ths, that's wrong. B is good so far. This is supposed to be, well, C, let's cross out C because it's supposed to be, this was supposed to be C. And we know D is wrong because it's supposed to be 7/10, but it says 7/100ths. And then E is also wrong. So right away, it has to be A. Because that's the only one that shows 4/10 times 7/10. And when you multiply across, 4 times 7 is 28. And then 10 times 10 is 100. So this is good to go. The answer is going to be letter B. For number 3, it says select the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to that correctly completes each comparison. So these two look like they're the same, but we added 0 behind it, and that's actually 70/100ths, and that's greater than just 7/100ths. For the second one, we'll add 2 zeros behind this one. They're actually the same one, so they're actually equal to each other. And for the third one, we'll add a 0 on this side, and add 670, which is less than 676, which is greater than. And that's all to Roar to Success, episode number 3.